Hello everyone. Pneumatic actuating system. A pneumatic actuating system is a type of device that converts pressure energy of compressed air into a mechanical energy to perform a particular work. This actuating system utilizes the pressurized air stored inside the cylinder. There is an air cylinder which is simple and efficient device. The pneumatic actuator consists of a piston and a rod moving inside a closed cylinder. This figure shows the pneumatic actuating system. It consists of a pneumatic cylinder, a position transducer which is connected to the piston of the pneumatic cylinder. There is a fuzzy logic controller, a proportional DCV is shown in the figure. There are two types of pneumatic actuators. It's a single acting and double acting. It is based on operating principle. The operating principle is based on the concept of pressure as force per unit area. The types of pneumatic actuators are linear actuator or pneumatic cylinders, and there are two types: single acting cylinder and double acting cylinder. And the next one is rotary actuator or air motors, and next one is limited angle actuators. Next topic is single acting cylinder. A cylinder have single air inlet. It's only one working part, and during forward motion the piston is moved by the compressed air supply, and while a return motion of piston is by the spring placed on the roadside of the cylinder. It is used where force is required to be exerted only in one direction, such as clamping, feeding, sorting, locking, ejecting, braking, etc. And it is available in short stock lengths, maximum of 80 mm length. It's due to the natural length of the spring. And single acting cylinders require only about half the air volume consumed by a double acting cylinder for one operating cycle. This is the figure of a single acting cylinder. This figure consists of a pressure pot, a spring, a rod, and extension stroke and return stroke. And this the piston steel is on this and wind vent. During forward motion, the pressure pot through the pressure pot, the compressed air will be supplied into it, and the return, then the spring is giving the force to provide the return stroke. Next is double actuating cylinder. A double actuating cylinder is having two air inlet lines, two ports, that is one on the piston side and other on the rod side. To achieve forward motion of the cylinder, compressed air is admitted on the piston side and rod side is connected to exhaust. So that is compressed air is admitted on the piston side and the rod side is connected to exhaust. And during return motion, the supply air is admitted at the rod side and the piston side volume is connected to the exhaust, the reverse of forward motion, and the force is exerted by the piston during both forward and return motion of the cylinder. Now the next is a limited angle pneumatic actuating system. A pneumatic this is the figure of a limited angle compressor and air treatment unit represents the motion of pipes and sensors. Dial inside a pressurized air compressor acts as chamber. Next is components of pneumatic actuating system. A pneumatic actuating system is having a compressor and air treatment unit, valve, actuator, pipes and sensors. The compressed air, a pressure regulator. This air compressor acts as the flow of compressed air, pneumatic and a lubricator to air treatment unit consists of a filter, regulator, and a lubricator. The direction unit which comprises of the air flowing, which filters the compressed air. The pressure regulator to regulate the Actuator converts the
air
pneumatic
and a
force
lubricator to lubricate the air,
or compressed air pressure into
and the
mechanical
valve
force
that
or
controls the
movement.
direction and
ആക്ച്വേറ്ററിൻ്റെ
regulates the
അകത്തൊരു
air
ഫോഴ്സ്
flowing
ഉണ്ടാവും. ആ ഫോഴ്സ് എന്ന്
into
പറയുന്നത് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ
actuating
കംപ്രസ്ഡ് എയറിൻ്റെ
system.
പ്രഷറാണ് ആ ഫോഴ്സ്. അതിനെ ഒരു
Actuator.
മെക്കാനിക്കൽ മൂവ്മെൻ്റ് ആയിട്ട്
Actuator
പിസ്റ്റൺ
converts
കൺവേർട്ട്
the
ചെയ്യും.
pneumatic
സിലിണ്ടറിൻ്റെ
force
അകത്തുള്ള പിസ്റ്റൺ
or
or
pipes. It is
compressed
used
air
to
pressure
connect
into
various
mechanical
elements of
force or
actuating
movement.
system with each other.
ആക്ച്വേറ്ററിൻ്റെ അകത്തൊരു അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും
force
കണക്ട്
ഉണ്ടാവും. ആ
ചെയ്യാനുള്ള
force
എന്ന്
ഒരു
പറയുന്നത് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ
element ആണ്
കംപ്രസ്ഡ്
pipe.
എയറിൻ്റെ പ്രഷറാണ് ആ
And
ഫോഴ്സ്.
sensors. It acts
അതിനെ
as
ഒരു
a
മെക്കാനിക്കൽ
feedback
മൂവ്മെൻ്റ് ആയിട്ട് ആ
element
പിസ്റ്റൺ
for a
കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യും. ആ
controller
പിസ്റ്റൺ
in
സിലിണ്ടറിൻ്റെ അകത്തുള്ള പിസ്റ്റൺ
controller
the
pipes. It is
monitors
used to
whole
connect
system to
various
provide
elements of actuating
required
system
output.
with each other.
Applications
കണക്ട് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള ഒരു
magnetic link
element ആണ്
or
pipe.
cylinders are
And sensors. It
used
acts as a feedback element
mechanical
for a
linkage
controller
and
in
is used in pneumatic
the controller
artificial
monitors
muscles,
whole
also
system
used in
to
vacuum
provide
generators, etc.
required
The
output.
advantages of pneumatic actuating
Applications,
systems
roadless
high
actuators
force
with
rating
magnetic linkage
and also
or
pneumatic
cylinders are
actuators generate
used besides
roadless
linear
actuators
motion
with
by
mechanical
providing,
linkage
accuracy,
and is used in pneumatic
artificial
actuators,
muscles,
applications,
also used in vacuum
involved in
generators,
areas of
etc.
extreme temperature.
The advantages
Minus
of pneumatic
40 to
actuating
250
system is
Fahrenheit
having
temperature
high force
ranges
rating
possible, and also
and
pneumatic
in terms of
actuators
safety
generate precise
inspection
motion
by providing
pneumatic actuators
accuracy.
avoid
Pneumatic
using hazardous
actuators typical
materials
applications
as it is
involved
using
in areas
only
of
extreme temperature.
and
Minus
pneumatic
40 to
actuators
250 Fahrenheit temperature ranges possible,
materials and
and in
integration
terms of
electronics
safety and condition monitoring
inspection
has
pneumatic
been many
actuators
avoid
using
the cost is also
hazardous
very low as
materials
compared with other
as it is
actuators,
using only
and
air.
pneumatic actuators is having
And pneumatic
lightweight and minimal
actuators
maintenance,
advances in
have more
miniaturization
durable and
materials
cost
and
effective
integration of electronics and
Thank you.